Hello, grade 1, how are you? I'm here to show you an example of how to do this activity. Remember that last week we started practicing partitioning. So you break numbers into tens and units, and I told you that you could use this technique to help you doing addition and subtraction. So today we are going to continue exploring this technique, and we are going to learn how to do addition using partitioning. There are three different ways that you can choose to do addition using partitioning. I will show you these three ways, and then you can see in which way you feel more confident to do the exercises, okay? So let's see the example. 52 plus 34. So in the first way, we need to break 52 into tens and units. This you already practiced last week. So 52 is the same of 5 tens and 2 units. We also need to break the number 34 into tens and units. 34 is the same of 3 tens and 4 units. If you still have any question with this, you can go back to that activity that we practiced last week that explained better how to break into tens and units, okay? Now the next step that we need to do is to add together the tens. So I'll write here tens. We need to add the 5 tens from the number 52 plus the 3 tens from the number 34. So 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 8 tens. Now we need to add together the units. So we have 2 units from the number 52 plus 4 units from the number 34. So 2 units plus 4 units equals 6 units. Now, the last step of this strategy is to add together the tens and units. So the final result of this addition will be 8 tens from here, from this addition of tens, and 6 units from here, from this addition of units. So which number has 8 tens and 6 units? Is the number 86. So by partitioning, we could see that 52 plus 34 equals 86. This is the first way of calculating this. Now we have another way of doing. Let me write again the exercise. We can break 52 and 34, but only using numbers. So let's see. 52 is the same of 50 plus 2. You also practiced this last week. If you have any question, you can go back there. And 34 is the same of 30 plus 4. Now, we add together 50 plus 30 equals 80, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. And the final result will be 80 plus 6 equals 86. And you see that the final result was the same of the first strategy, but we did only using numbers now. We didn't write tens and units. This is the second way of doing. Now we still have a third way of doing. If you're feeling more confident, you can skip the first steps and you can go straight to 50 plus 30 and 2 plus 4. Then you calculate 50 plus 30 equals 80, 2 plus 4 equals 6, and the final answer will be 80 plus 6 equals 86. So in these three ways, the answer will always be the same, because we only have one answer to this addition. But we arrived in the answers by different strategies in different ways. And you can study then and you can choose, you can practice the one that you feel more confident. Okay? I'll do another example with you so we can practice a little bit more. Let's do here 62 plus 17. Let's start with the first technique. So first we need to break 62 into tens and units. 62 is the same of 6 tens and 2 units. Now we need to break 17. 1 10 and 7 units. Now what do we need to do? We need to add the tens. So 6 tens plus 1 10 equals 7 tens. Now we need to add the units. 2 units from 62 plus 7 units from 17 equals 9 units. So the final answer will add together the tens and units. So 7 tens from here, from the tens addition, and 9 units here from the units addition. So each number has 7 tens and 9 units. The number 79. So this would be the answer from 62 plus 17. Now let's do the second way. So 62 is the same of 60 plus 2. And 17 is the same of 10 plus 7. So first we add here 60 plus 10. And then we add 2 plus 7. How much is 60 plus 10? Is 70. How much is 2 plus 7? Is 9. So the final answer will be 70 plus 9 equals 79. And now we can do in the third way. If you're feeling more confident, you can go straight to partitioning using 60 plus 10 and 2 plus 7. 60 plus 10 equals 70, 2 plus 7 equals 9. And the final answer will be 70 plus 9 equals 79. So also in this second example, in the three ways that we practiced, we all arrived in the same answer, 79. But we arrived using three different ways. In the first way, we broke into tens and units, and we wrote down tens and units and add them. In the second way, we also broke, but we add using numbers. And in the third way, we skipped some steps and did 70 plus 9. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to send an audio, to send a message. The most important is to make an effort and to practice. I hope you enjoy this activity. Bye-bye.